welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the info panel. So the info panel is very important. If I go up to window and we go down to info, what you're going to see here is when I move my mouse around, we have the Y and the X. Okay. And then when I hover over the color, it's going to give me the RGB code for this. Okay. Now, I might have talked about this in a different course, but I'll bring it up here. I worked as a video engineer for 10 years, and in some instances with different productions that we were doing, I had to do lighting. And with LED lights, they used the RGB code. Okay, so white is 255 on red, green, and blue. Black is 0 on red, green, and blue, and that gives you black. And then if you go in the middle, then you get, so for example, green. To get this color of green, there's 2% of red, or just 2, 36 green, 38 blue. That gives you this. Okay, so that is the info panel, and it gives you a lot of information based on what is in your monitor here, or your source. Okay, if I get rid of that and we do white, it's 255 for red, green, and blue. If I go over the red here, okay, it's red is 255, green is 67, and blue is 67. And so red is the dominant color in this instance. Okay, so everything that you do in AfterEffects, Premiere Pro, is RGB. In Photoshop, it's RGB and CMYK. CMYK is for print. RGB is for video. It's for AfterEffects. It's for graphics, for TV, for the internet, for monitors, smartphones, tablets, laptops. All those are RGB. And that's literally what I live in, is RGB. And I love RGB. So I'm ecstatic to talk to you about RGB because I love it so much. So that is the info panel. Okay? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.